All right, we have a green light, thumbs up. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
First match here at the Durham College District event. Let's see what happens in this autonomous period. 50-31, the Full Metal Mustangs have placed their L2 Coral there on the blue side of the field. On the red side, we have a little bit of motion here. No elements being scored yet. Our Blue Alliance is going to have a lead out of that autonomous period, 10-6 here. Let's see what happens here as the drivers are taking control. Blue Alliance lining up with some more Coral in 2 robots. That's 50-31 and their alliance partners 21-98. They're trying to line it up, having a little bit of an issue right now. Will they be able to get that algae out of their way? They may have lodged it in there a little bit tighter. Let's see how this one plays out for them. Let's check on over to the garage sale happening on the red side of the field. That's Team 87-29. They have a Coral inside their bot. They're lining up with that reef on the red side of the field. They're going up high. Can they put it up onto that level 4? A little bit off there. Their alliance partners, 58-70, League of Logic, also at their loading station. They're back to the reef in the middle, lining up a little bit off that time as well. Unable to stay in that reef. If it would have stayed at the bottom, they still would have gotten 2 points for that score. 26-15 for your Red Alliance. They've overcome that deficit that they had at the start of the autonomous period. And now they're going back to the loading station. League of Logic have one of those Corals in them. A little bit of a swerve, a little bit of a slide there, like the Dukes of Hazzard, trying to stay afoot there. 87-29, Sparkling H2O going up top with that Coral. A little bit off that time. We'll see if those points count. We'll wait for our referees to make the call. We have some defense being played by Wildwire over on the blue side of the field. Unfortunately, it looks like our referees keeping this game clean called 1 foul on them. We'll see what happens with the rest of this Blue Alliance. We have just over 30 seconds remaining in the match. The score 43-25 here. Blue Alliance, that's Paradigm Shift Robotics, lining up to the reef on the blue side of the field, trying to get that score onto that 3rd level. Can they score it? We will see what happens. We have 12 seconds remaining. Will teams start going for any of these hangs in place? They're going to try and line up with their barge and get up onto those cages. 4 seconds remaining. Will they be able to pull it off? That's 87-31, trying to get up to that shallow cage. That would have been worth 6 points if they could get up, but they might have to settle for the 2-point park there. Let's hang tight while we get your official scores. And we have your scores for the first match. It will be your Red Alliance coming away with the victory with a score of 65-44. They will be picking up the 3 ranking points there. A reminder this year, 6 ranking points up for grabs for each of these matches, so keep an eye on that as we